Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic mathematical and numerical skills. So people are used to guess high score, and this results in increase in their total marks. Okay, so let's see the first problem. A mixture of milk and water is such that the quantity of milk is 3 by 5 that of water. Okay, 3 by 5 that of water. Now we have to find the proportion of milk in the mixture. Okay, the mixture of milk and water is such that the quantity of milk is 3 by 5 that of water. So we can write that milk is equals to 3 by 5 of water. Therefore, the ratio of milk and water results in 3 is to 5. Milk is to water is equals to 3 is to 5. Therefore, the proportion of milk is proportion of milk is 3 divided by 3 plus 5, which results in 3 by 8. Okay, so the proportion of milk in the mixture is 3 by 8. Now let's see the next question. Given that the mean of 5 number is 27, if one of them is excluded, then the mean gets reduced by 2. Now we have to determine the excluded number. So given by the question that mean of 5 numbers is 27. Mean of 5 numbers is 27. Then total of 5 numbers is 27 into 5. Okay, now one number is excluded and the mean gets reduced by 2. After excluding one number, the mean becomes 27 minus 2 equals to 25. Okay, now the total of 4 numbers is 25 into 4. Okay, the total of 4 number is 25 into 4. Therefore, if we subtract 1, if we subtract 2 from 1, we get the total. We get the total. We get the required number. If we subtract 2 from 1, we get our required number. Therefore, our required number is 115 minus 100. Sorry, 135 minus 100. Therefore, 35 is the required number. So option D is the correct answer. So we have solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sorosisclasses.com. Thank you very much.